Kayla's awake. Yes, it's your birthday.
Can you open this one first? Open this one first? Yes. Open. Look at that. Look. Yeah. Let me help you get this out. You don't know if you can get it out.
You need help?
No.
Daddy can help.
Get it out. Want to see what it is? Yeah. The Wonder Pets.
Wow.
I got that for you, Kayla. Wonder Pets.
What do you think, Kay?
The Wonder Pets. The one I wanted.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Wait. Let her see what it is.
I can see it. Wonder Pets.
You need help?
No, wait, no.
It's stuck. Alright, I have to stop videotaping to pull it out.